G. Narayanama Institute of Technology and Science GNITS, a leading engineering college in Hyderabad for women, named after the wife of late Shri G. Pulla Reddy Garu, a great philanthropist, in 1997 with a deep sense of thought that empowering women will empower many generations to come. The Department of Information Technology at G. Narayanama Institute of Technology and Science, GNITS, was established in 1997 with the vision of establishing a premier transformative learning community that promptly responds to the challenges of information technology. Dr. S. Ramacharan, the current head of the department, is a prominent professor with an exceptional academic career. Dr. I. Ravi Prakash Reddy, who serves as Professor and Dean Placement and Corporate Relations. IT Department has 35 faculty members, with 2 professors, 3 associate professors, 30 assistant professors, and 13 non-teaching staff. Among them, 6 faculty are with doctorate degree, and 16 faculty pursuing PhD in various reputed universities. Department of Information Technology got a fund of 7 lakhs for 2 Atal programs and a seed amount of 1 lakh rupees for RFID-based college gate automation system using IoT. During the past academic year, a number of project proposals totaling 72.6 lakh rupees were submitted and are currently being evaluated. The faculty has got various appreciation and awards from NPTEL, Telangana Academy, EPRCET and CDAC, BN from various organizations. 2023 and 2024, out of 118 students, 83 students got placements in various 67 companies like Microsoft, CTC, Adobe, Flipkart, Wipro, Deloitte, Cognizant, Infosys and various top MNCs. It is happy to inform that highest placement package for 2023-2024 is 44 lakhs per annum of 5 students got more than 20 lakhs and average package for the students who got selected is 8 lakhs per annum. Students got various 14 internship offers. The highest package in internship period is 1.1 lakhs per month. Department of IT has strong alumni support to the Alumni Association of GNITS and its programs through the Sustaining Membership Program. Department activities. The Department of IT organized the 5th ICDSMLA Springer International Conference. Department of IT has 3 Center of Excellence like Yantra, Cyber Security and Algoron Blockchain. With these Center of Excellence, students got a good knowledge in the area of robotics, embedded systems, cyber security and blockchain. With the Department of IT has well-equipped digital classrooms and good computer labs to enhance programming ability in various languages and packages which meet the needs of today's industry standards. Students are encouraged to engage in extracurricular activities beyond their academic program, such as research projects, hackathons, coding competitions, internships, startup incubations, workshops, project exhibitions, NPTEL courses, training programs for personality and skill development, campus recruitment, and student technical chapters like IEEE, ISTE, and IETE. Ultimately, one of the most promising programs at GNITS's Department of IT is the BTech graduation, which allows students to select diverse careers in order to succeed in their careers. All industries across the globe can now progress both technologically and economically. Thus, it seems sense that graduates in information technology would always be in high demand. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sankirti Gopalaju from 4th year IT department. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the management of GNITS and IT department for providing me with an incredible placement opportunity at JP Morgan Chase & Co with a package of 19.75 lakh. This achievement would not have been possible without the unwavering support and guidance of the faculty members.
I am Fanishri Challa. I am a manager with one of the top consulting firms. I have graduated from GNITS IT.
I am Layasri, a final year student from GNITS IT department. I am incredibly thankful for my college management, Department of IT Placement Cell for their continuous support which helped me secure placement in JP Morgan Chase with 19.75 lakh CTC.